Welcome. In front of me I have KOSPET Tank T3 Ultra 2 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. So the force restart could be useful, for example, if your watch is not working properly, maybe it's a bit sluggish, something is not working, and you could try to force restart the watch and hopefully that will solve your problems. And to force restart the watch, we need to press and hold the select button and keep holding it until the watch turns off. I would say about 10-15 seconds. So let's press and hold the button. After the screen turns off, keep holding the button for a few more seconds, and then you can release it. Let's say now. And well, after you release it, wait for a couple of seconds. You should see the KOSPET logo on the screen. And the watch will reboot. And that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.